Today I'm gonna give you the crochet tutorial of this cute mini rolled cake. Let's talk about the material. You'll need a hook, yarn, scissor and glue gun. So I'm starting here with a slip knot. Here's the easiest tutorial to make a slip knot, and we are making the colored layer of the cake. Like you can see the yellow part of my cake, we are making that. So start with a slip knot like this. Once your slip knot is ready, you have to chain 40. Guys, this is the most beginner friendly tutorial and anyone can make this by looking through this. So this is how you make a chain. Here I have completed the chaining process. Now I'm gonna do the double crochet in the third chain we see. This is the first chain, second, and in this third one we have to do double crochet. First of all, you have to yarn over and insert that in the hook, then pull the yarn from there, then pull the yarn from the two hooks you see there. Once you have pulled from the two loops, you will be having two loops on your hook. So pull the hook from the remaining two loops. Then this is how your double crochet will look like. You can add the stitch marker here, but I don't find it necessary, so I'm not adding here. So you have to do this till the end of the chain. You have to do double crochet in every single chain you see there. You have to yarn over, insert in the chain, then pull the yarn from that chain. Then you have three loops on your hook, so pull through the first two loops, then pull through the remaining two loops. This is how you do double crochet. You have to do it till the very last chain. So all the best. Here I'm on my very last chain, so yarn over and insert in the last chain you see there. Then like this, pull the yarn from the chain. You have three loops on your hook, then pull the yarn from the two loops, then pull the yarn from two loops. This is how your first row gonna be look like, and now we're gonna work on the second row. Now you have to chain one like this and flip your project and do double crochet all across till the end. So chain one like this and flip your project. Then here I'm using a black background for better understanding. So here you can see that here we have two chains, and you have to go into this chain I'm pointing out, and this is where our project ended. So insert your hook into this chain and like this. Under both the loops we call it a chain, and pull the yarn from the chain like this. You have three loops, so you have to do again like that. Pull through the two, then pull through the two. So here you have done your first double crochet in the row 2. You have to do it till the very end of the project. Here you can see this next chain, so you have to insert the hook into this chain like this. Once you have inserted, you have to pull the yarn from there like this, and you know what we have to do. Pull through the two, then pull through the two. Here you can see 2 chains, that indicates you have done 2 double crochets, so you have to do it till the last of your chain. I am on my very last stitch, so you have to do it like this, and you have now completed the color layer. Congratulations. And stretch it. Chain 1 and pull the yarn like this and cut it, then tighten it up. So here we have completed your color layer. Here is my white layer and here is my color layer. You have to apply the same process in making the white layer, just you have to make 20 chains instead of 40 chains. Now we are making the white topping, so for that you have to make a magic ring. So most of the people they are scared of magic ring. I know that's very hard, but you can see this, and here is the easiest tutorial to make the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers, then pull the first yarn like this and move your hook like this and pull the working yarn from this loop. Here my magic ring is ready, so pull the yarn and adjust your ring like this, and you have to make 10 half double crochet in this magic ring. So yarn over and insert the hook in this magic ring like this and pull the yarn like this. Then you have 1 2 3 loops on your hook. Pull the yarn from all the 3 loops you see there. We are making half double crochet. It's way more easier than double crochet. Yarn over and insert the hook into the magic ring, then pull the yarn, then you have 3 loops, then you have to pull the yarn from all the 3 loops you see, and here is your second half double crochet. So you have to repeat it at least 10 times. Here we have done doing 10 half double crochet, so you have to pull the yarn tail and tighten it up, and here my yarn is a little tight, so I have to use extra strength. Now you have to slip stitch into the very first half double crochet you have done. So insert your hook into the very first half double crochet, like you can see the chain like this, and then pull the yarn from there and pull through both the loops. And tighten it up. Now let's make this cherry. So you have to make a slip knot. I've already told you in the video how to make a slip knot, so you can watch this and watch this too, like this. Now you have to chain 3. We have done 3 chains, so we have to do 3 unfinished double crochet. Yarn over and insert in the very first chain you see, then pull the yarn from the chain. You have 3 loops on your hook, so pull through the 2 loops as before. Then once you have pulled through the 2 loops, you have to leave it as it is and yarn over once again and insert your hook in the second chain you see there. Then yarn over and pull through the chain. You'll have 4 loops on your chain like this, then pull through the 2 loops, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. So you have to yarn over again and go into the next chain and yarn over and pull through that chain, and you'll have 5 loops on your hook. So here you can see 1 2 3 4 5. So here we have 5 loops. So we have to first pull through the 2 loops you see there, then you'll have 4 loops. So you have to pull through all the 4 loops you see there. Now you have to do slip stitch into the very first chain you have made there. Insert your hook in the very first chain, yarn over and pull through this, and then pull through the chain like this. Here our cherry is already ready, so pull this thread like this and tighten it up, and you can see a bulging type structure, and this is our cherry. Now I'm giving color to my colored layer like this, and here is our cherry done, and also the color layer. Now you have to stick all these together with the help of a glue gun. Once you've stick it, roll it up like this, and then add a little glue gun and stick it now the topping part, and stick it like this. Here is our cake ready. Ta-da! Guys, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.